Hey guys, good morning. So I am heading out to do some grocery shopping. Healthy grocery shopping, and clearly I'm looking in the wrong way of the camera. I need to look here so y'all can see me. Okay, I didn't do much to myself, so y'all not gonna get beat Mesha today. Just some lip and go. I don't even know what the camera is pointing at. I don't know nothing. I don't know what's what. But I'm having a good day today. Woo. See, this thing is not gonna film. See, this is why I didn't film landscape last time. So I'm gonna turn it around. Y'all just gonna have to be mad at me. Alright, you guys, so I have my snapper. I'm trying to find some chili oil. Snapper, salmon, of course, in my favorite store. I'm trying to find something. In and out. Stick and move. It's getting pretty hot. It's already about 90 degrees. So, these people getting on my nerves. They do not know how to fuck to drive. Excuse my language. I truly apologize, but this lady almost hit me. I truly apologize, but anyway. Stick and move. It's already 90. It's only 8 in the morning. So next stop. Alright guys, so I got this thing to work finally. I had to call my fiance and figure out what's going on as to why it wasn't holding my phone up anymore. I'm about to turn it around though, don't worry. So yeah, I'm on my way home. Well, no, now I'm on my way to Kroger. As you guys saw, I already got my fish. So yeah, let me turn this around. Okay guys, so it's back on me, I think. I'm gonna have to learn how to use this thing. I'm so very sorry. I truly apologize, but like I said, I'm not used to vlogging and things like that, so I need to get over. So hopefully y'all can see me. I don't really have much of that to talk about. I'm just on my way to Kroger. I'm trying to see if they still have a sale of some kind going on. Wednesday we're having a 4th of July get together at the house with a couple friends. Yeah, so I need to get the things for that because, you know, in the week we're busy. I'm busy, so I don't have time to get things. Only thing I probably won't get is the burger buns. Because, you know, sometimes bread don't have that much of a shelf life. And I like fresh food. I like giving people fresh food. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm so happy I got it to work. I just still don't like it though, because when I hit a pothole or something, it's jerking. I don't know, y'all, because it was working fine last time, but ooh, look at the y'all, people, I'm sorry, God forgive me, but I mean, y'all forgive me, especially if you live in Texas, because you know y'all overprotective about Texas. These people down here do not know how to drive. Oh, y'all, let me tell y'all a quick story. I guess I could tell y'all that. Because I didn't have a license when I lived in New Jersey. You know, there's buses, trains, trolleys, cabs on every corner. Like, literally every corner. Like, I would get on a bus and stand on a bus for 15 seconds. I was lazy. As you can see, I'm plump, so I was lazy and plumped. Okay, I got distracted. Yeah, so, yeah, I've only been driving for 2 years. I came to Texas. My now fiance taught me how to drive. For a whole year, I rode dirty. Because what happened is when I first moved here, we only had one vehicle. And, you know, we alternated when I was going to school. He let me take the car. I mean, he was taking me back and forth to school for like the first year of school. And then, I'm all mixing up the story. I know y'all irritated. But anyway, He took me back and forth to school while he was also going to work for the first year. Now the second year he had a promotion, so there's no way it could ever work for him to take me to school, pick me up from school, and make it to work on time. So while all that's going on, you know, I'm in panic mode, like, oh my God, I'm never gonna be able to finish college, I'm never gonna be able to get my degree, I'm so sad, and things like that. So he was like, you know what, I'm going to teach you how to drive. So then he started teaching me how to drive, which was a nightmare, y'all. I gave that man hell. I was so scared. I was terrified. But anyway, so y'all, I was riding dirty for the last entire year of my college experience. I was riding dirty, honey. Dirty. But it's okay, I got my license. And you know what's crazy? Never got caught. Never got a ticket. As soon, I kid y'all not, as soon as I got my license, I think maybe 5 months in, I got a ticket. Hey, don't you see how the world works? I got a ticket about 5 months in of having my driver's license. Meanwhile, I was driving cut across town every day for a year. Far across. My school was 45 minutes to an hour, depending on traffic, from the house. No license. Never got a ticket. A mess. But anyway, I'm about to be at Kroger. I'm not really comfortable filming in there because people just be staring at me, and I don't know. But if I can, here and there, I will. Okay guys, so I'm home and this is what I got for lunch. Although I shouldn't have. It's a breakfast burrito from Taco Bell. And don't worry, I'm not in bed. I'm in the couch. I like my blanket and my couch. And I got the watermelon freezy. Anyway, this video will be followed up by what I made with the groceries that I did buy. And it's probably going to be salmon, and that video will be out on Monday. Hopefully I put this one out today, which is Sunday. Okay guys, bye.